Hi everyone, and how are you doing? So this time I'm coming with another Binance Launchpad as they just introduced it. So I thought this is great, as you know, I like always talk about the Launchpad as they give an option for everyone to stake either, BNB or some other tokens or like BUSD to farm other tokens. And this time there is a new Binance Launchpad called Anchor Protocol, which is ANC. And to find it, you obviously go to those squares and then Launchpad. And within here, you will see that it is in preparation phase, so it's upcoming. So this will work for actually 12 hours, the preparation, and after they will start it. So you can see that we are ahead of the journey. So we see that you'll be able to stake 3 different coins, which is BUSD, Luna, and BNB. So within that, you will also get the percentages and how much of the APY it will be. As obviously remember that APY doesn't show at the beginning, as it only shows when you when they actually list that coin. So this is an extremely important because you can already prepare and you can actually stake. So you can already go to BNB, Luna, or BUSD pool, depends on which pool you're interested in. Then you can just press stake and then choose the amount you want to stake. As I remember, it is 1.1 with the minimum, because if you put less, I think it won't allow you. But yeah, I think yeah, it's insufficient. So it's like 0.01, as I remember, the minimum. So this is something which I think everyone can, participate. I already see the moment I record this video, it's almost 5,000 BNB staked. There's already some Luna and some BUSD. There is 1.4 million already in BUSD stake. So, and it got released literally 10 minutes ago since I record this video. When you look at the detailed rules, so this is always what I like to cover and tell you everything. So remember, this will start at 26th of January at midnight UTC. And the farming period will go for over 30 days. So it's amazing. That's a really long term. I really hope it will be a similar percentage. For example, MC Merit was, which give a really high percentage to all the user. And I think everyone could, really benefit from it. So the total supply of the ANC, it's 1 billion with circulating supply of 213 million. The launch pool supply will be 2 million. So as you can see, it's pretty small. But still, I think it's great for everyone. And when you look at the BNB, Luna, and BUSD allocation, 70% go into BNB, as obviously this is the coin of the Binance. Then Luna it's 20% and BUSD is the 10%, as obviously BUSD it's a stable coin. When you look at the details, so what is that Anchor Protocol? So Anchor Protocol is a savings protocol which is offering low volatile yields on Terra stablecoin deposits. And when you go to their website, you actually see a better savings. Anchor, they have a nice video and it's a really good website. So they're actually focusing on that yield. So Anchor yield is a stable and attractive powered by staking returns from multiple proof-of-stake blockchains. So that's a pretty cool thing, which I was actually surprised that Binance have partnered with someone like that. But this for me it looks as a really good thing. Obviously, it's a really basic thing because you can see also like the deposits, like you can see all the earn and APYs within that website, so you can actually see all the details on their website. So you can, for example, look at earn and borrow and what's kind of the interest on it, and with the lending, as obviously yielding, it's definitely something worth to it. But they work with Terra Luna, so that's why you also see that you can stake that Luna. So this is pretty cool, I think, for everyone who looks into especially staking those BNB or BUSD or Luna. You can now easily do it. So now it's a preparation phase. You can stake it already at this moment, but remember, it will start farming in 12 hours since I record this video, which is at midnight 26th of January. And at that moment, every hour you'll see the yield coming. So this is pretty cool, I think, for everyone. So yeah, I hope that you enjoy that. If yes, you know what to do, just leave a like or subscribe, so thanks that you won't miss in any of the new videos. And well, see you in the next video. Take care.